Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Gemini for week ahead. So watch this video if you're a Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit and check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. And if you don't already know, then I'm a Gemini sun myself, so hey Gemini. All right, now let's see messages for Gemini for week ahead. So first we'll see your general message and then we'll go for love. So give me general message for Gemini, please. Page of Pentacles. Wow, it's like you're looking forward to something like a new beginning. Some of you might be enrolling yourself in some sort of courses, you're educating yourself. There could be also good news related to money coming in. So some of you, if you have been waiting for a job offer or just money, to be sanctioned from somewhere. So I see with the Page of Pentacles that is gonna happen. Okay, what else? Justice, and some of you might be dealing with a Libra, 5 of Cups. Okay, so there was a situation which was emotionally burdening you and it kind of taught you many lessons in life. So you are basically embracing those lessons and you're moving forward and you're just trying to balance your life. So in the present, your life is all about balancing your emotions and trying to make the most out of a situation and trying to be more optimistic. So maybe you've gone through some sort of loss recently. It could have been an emotional or physical loss, and for the longest time you were focusing on what was spilled and what did not work. But now finally, after balancing things, or at least you're trying to balance things, you're trying to focus on what is still left, right? So like in every adversity there are opportunities hidden, so you're basically recognizing the opportunities that came along with the adversity that you recently went through. Okay, I also see that some of you were dealing with somebody and this person never appreciated you, which led to a lot of emotional discontent. But now finally you're looking forward to big and bright changes in life, and you're not as much focused on the hurt that was caused by this person in your life. I also see that some of you, maybe there was a legal situation going on which actually went against you and it led to a lot of hurt. Okay, so all in all, you're basically learning from your past mistakes, you're embracing those, and you're moving forward. Okay, what else? Wow. Do you see that, Gemini, your card here? So Sun and the Lovers. So I definitely feel that once you stabilize your life and once you start focusing on your stability, and after recognizing an opportunity in whatever you went through, right? As I said, your perception about things have changed. You're trying to see positive and negatives as well, and that is actually leading you to a very stable position. Because what happens is when our life starts going down, we are so focused on negativity that we kind of get stuck in the same loop, because we are always saying negative things, we believe negative things and all of that. But I see that the good thing about you is that you're still being very optimistic with the Page of Pentacle and Justice, where you're trying to bring your life together. And no matter this, if you can just see, there's only one negative card and 4 cards are positive, which shows to me that yes, there have been some disappointment in your life, but you are just trying to be more and more optimistic, and that is actually bringing in a lot of blessings in your life. Some of you, I see a very soulmate kind of a connection coming towards you with the Sun and the Lovers. So yeah, when you will meet this person, you will know that it is meant to be, right? How soulmate connections feel very familiar, and you just have a very weird kind of realization that yes, this person is meant to be in my life. So yeah, when you will meet this person, you will know, okay, there will not be any logical explanation to it, but you'll know that okay, this person is meant to be. So that kind of a connection I see coming towards you, which is going to be very stable. It might not be the most romantic connection, because I see this person will be more on the practical side, but see, unconsciously, you kind of, Gemini, know that somebody is meant to be in your life. So I see your intuition is kind of right about that. So we'll see more of that in the love reading, but yeah, for now I see this. So I see a soulmate connection that's in your life, and or it will be in your life. Okay, so give me the present energy for Gemini in love. Present energy for Gemini in love. Wheel of Fortune. And the Five of Wands, yes, definitely. So it's like you are cutting some sort of drama. This is the same energy that we were seeing, right? In the general message, I see that there was some sort of petty drama that was happening in your life, but the good thing is that things are changing. So I see, if things were very topsy-turvy in the recent past, things are turning in your favor with the Wheel of Fortune. So Wheel of Fortune basically says the situation is going to turn 180 degrees. So I see that in your love life, where things were so messy and somebody wasn't confessing their love, or maybe the relationship was just not taking off, I see finally things are going to start moving. So the stagnation that you have been experiencing in your love life is going to be removed. I also see that your mindset has changed a lot over the time. So some of you might have been doing some inner work, shadow work, or whatever, and that has led to a lot of positivity in your life. And overall, I see your perspective has completely changed when it comes to things. So that is a good thing, okay? So yeah, I see all of this is actually leading to new beginnings. Yes, you had been deserted by somebody. I see that in the past, the somebody was just playing mind games with you, and this person was just trying to, indulge in petty dramas. And I also see that this person kind of involved a lot of people in the situation, which led to a lot of disappointment in life, right? So you might be seeing 555 a lot because we already have two fives, and we had a 5 in the last spread as well. So your life is about to change, Gemini. And I see you're coming out of a lot of drama. So your life recently has been full of drama, full of ups and downs, but things are turning, okay? And change can be a little difficult in the beginning, so just bear with the process, because Wheel of Fortune, when it comes in the beginning, you might feel like things are just not happening, or things are just going haywire. But that's how the change happens, right? It first is going to remove all the blocks, and then things are going to turn. So just be careful that for some time you might feel a little uneasy, but change usually brings some uneasiness with it in the beginning, right? Okay, what is coming towards Gemini in love? What is the incoming influence? 9 of 1 and 2 of Sword. I see there's an opportunity for love, Gemini, but I also see that you're trying to close your eyes to the situation, and that could be because of your past. So you've developed some insecurities where you do not want to open up to love as quickly. So there could be somebody who's interested in you. There could be two people for some of you, but I see that you're also very, very guarded, and that might be stemming from the past. It's like you do not want to see the opportunities. So, like love is coming in, but you're just closing your eyes to it because you feel that this person might also do the same thing that you've gone through. So you really need to remove these kind of blocks from your mind, okay? I see that definitely somebody is approaching, but you are trying to sabotage the connection, and all of this is happening because you've had a very difficult past when it comes to relationships. Somebody never really appreciated your efforts towards them, and now it has led to you being not believing in love as much. So yeah, I can see that. Some of you, I also see that your person had some toxic traits, or maybe they had some sort of addictions. So yeah, you've completely dealt with an abuser, and you are out of the situation. You have done a lot of healing work, mindset work, and now you're very critical to love, okay? You don't want to believe in love. You don't want to invest because you feel that everybody is same. This mindset needs to change, all right? It's like there's an opportunity, but you're closing your eyes to it. If you close your eyes to it, you will not find the love coming towards you, Gemini. So you need to let go of some sort of burden that's weighing you down. With the 6 of Swords, I see you need to release what's not serving you, right? Okay, what else? Strength card again. So I see that yeah, you really need to rely on your inner strength, and you need to recognize that you're a motherfucking empress, okay? Some of you, you're not realizing your potential. You're not realizing your self-worth, and you're constantly compromising with people and situations, and that is actually putting you in a very difficult position. When you do not appreciate your own self, nobody's going to appreciate you. When you do not value your own self, when you don't know your value, nobody is going to know your value, and people are always going to under tag you, right? So you really need to appreciate your value. You need to recognize your value. I see you have a lot of skills, a lot of potential, but you constantly doubt yourself a lot, and that actually leads to all of this drama coming into your life. So if you lately have been feeling as to why drama comes into my life, that's because you yourself are not valuing yourself enough, okay? And you're just constantly doubting yourself. You're just constantly trying to be very harsh on yourself. So you really need to work upon that. I also see that there is something which you need to release, and you kind of know what is it, and it is creating a lot of emotional and mental blockage, but you're still holding on to it very tightly. So yeah, what is not working for you, you need to be very like make a very bold decision about you. And I see it's mentally a little draining because you don't want to let something go, because you think that if I will feed on to this toxicity for some time, maybe this person changes or whatever, but that needs to go, okay? Focus on your stability. And I see that you're already very stable. It's just that you're not recognizing it enough. So, that's the problem. Okay, what else? Four of Cups. See, the exact thing. I see that Gemini. The only problem in this reading is what I see, that you are not recognizing your self-worth and you're not recognizing your value. It's like you're just closing your eyes to opportunities. So I see that there's love coming in. There could be somebody making you an offer, and I see this person has been doing it over and over. They are dropping you hints or whatever, but I see you're not opening yourself to that because you are still very much stuck because of a toxic past situation that you went through. Some of it was an air sign or a Capricorn that you dealt with who was very toxic. And now you're just closing yourself to opportunities, and you've released that toxic person, but you haven't released the toxicity that came with it, okay? So you need to release the toxicity as well. You need to put an end to the cycle that was coming towards you. If you will do it, I see you're going to have some sort of breakthrough, You've already decided that you're not going to be part of that, and I see that you're working on your future and you're doing good. But when it comes to your personal life, you're closing your eyes because you don't want to indulge. And that's all because you have a fear. Ace of Pentacle and Judgment. You really need to make a decision because there is an opportunity coming towards you. But because you are failing to decide, the indecision is sabotaging things for you. So you really need to decide onto something, Gemini. I also see that you need to be a little careful when investing money because the Judgment card with the Ace of Pentacle shows that yes, you can go ahead and invest, but just make sure that you do the paperwork properly because there could be some sort of glitch there, which you might get to know later on, and then things might just go off the toss. With the Justice card, again, I see some sort of legalities here, but yeah, it's actually in your favor. So yeah, I see money coming in. Good news regarding money coming in, okay? And when it comes to love, I see there is somebody who's already in your life, or this person is going to be in your life very soon, but you might sabotage things. So I see that you are the drama. So yeah, you really need to focus on that. And all of this basically is coming from the fact that you don't want to waste your time. Like over and over again, because you've dealt with a very controlling, abusive, narcissistic person, you're like, I don't want to waste my time. I don't want to waste my time. I don't want to indulge and waste my time. Why do you think everybody is going to waste your time? Like, that's a very toxic mindset, Gemini. You really need to release that, okay? So yeah, some sort of insecurities are basically blocking you from moving forward. You really need to pay attention because I see a very stable connection, a very good connection coming towards you, but you might sabotage. See? With the 3 of 1, I see finally it's time to release what's not serving you and focus on what's coming into your life because I see a major blessing and expansion coming in, but you might not pay attention. And I also see that this new person also that's in your life is actually an old person. So you also know this person in some capacity. Love is showing up, but you're closing your eyes. Let us see this person's intentions towards Gemini. 8 of Pentacles. See, somebody wants to make the effort with you. This person is ready to do the hard work with you, but you're not paying attention. 10 of Cups. There is a connection. There is a person who wants to offer you something which can actually lead to marriage if you equally invest, Gemini. 10 of Cups and 8 of Pentacles. If you give this a chance, this can grow into something. This person might also be a little slow in their approach. 9 of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles. See, this person thinks you are the 9 of Pentacles and this person wants to approach you with the same stability. And I see this person might still be taking some time because they don't want to mess up the situation with you. So they are being very careful when they approach you. But I see a very clear communication coming towards you from somebody who's interested in you and they want to take things forward. But this person also knows that you are not paying attention or you don't want to pay attention. So just be careful that you don't give that kind of an impression to somebody, right? I also see that you make somebody very insecure. So you might be doing really well in your life and this person thinks that they do not match up with you. So that's why they are taking their own time as well because they want to get stabilized before they can approach you. What is going to be the outcome here for Gemini and this person? 6 of Wands. See, there could be a new beginning and I see some sort of connection developing which can lead to something very beautiful with the 6 of Wands, like victory coming in. And I see that if this person has some other people who eye on them, you stand out, okay? So this person thinks that you stand out to them in some way. So whoever you are interested in might also be having other people who are interested in them, but they are interested in you, okay? So yeah, when they are interested in you, it does not matter who is interested in them. But the only thing here is that you might sabotage this connection. So you really need to focus on that. Because I see it's like you also want this connection to go somewhere, but then you're very insecure as well. Or you're very scared as well. You don't want to give somebody a chance because you think they will hurt you. This needs to go, Gemini. Give me message with Gemini, please. I got scared and built, see, oh my freaking goodness. I got scared and built a wall around me so that I don't get hurt. Wasn't this the same thing that I was telling throughout the reading? This is you, Gemini. You've built a wall around you, and that needs to break because there is somebody who's so consistent in their effort and they want to make an offer to you, but you have built a wall around you and you're not paying attention. And now don't try to fit your ass in it if this does not resonate, because there will be some people who be like, nobody is interested in me. Then fucking this reading is not for you. This is for people who it is resonating with, because for some Geminis, I see somebody is constantly putting in efforts, but you've built a wall around you. So it's like, you know this person is interested, but you're not paying attention. I miss you. Somebody misses you. And you've built a wall around yourself. I am working hard for our future. See, this person also thinks that you are doing better than them, so they have to match up with your energy. And this person, therefore, is working really hard to be in your life. Like, somebody here is serious about you, Gemini. And they are doing all the hard work for you as well. Like, this poor person putting in the effort in the Gemini is not even paying attention. Because Gemini thinks this person is going to hurt them. Gemini. Give me a message with Gemini, please. Chemistry, there's a strong magnetic attraction here. Somebody is very attracted towards you, and I see you guys have a very good chemistry as well. However, you are trying to retreat. So you are trying to disconnect from this person and the world, and that's why the connection is getting sabotaged. Forgiving and learning. So some of you need to forgive your past, forgive your own self, and learn from your past mistakes. Embrace the lessons and move forward and give somebody a chance who's trying so hard to be in your life. So yeah, that was that. I see, Gemini, throughout the reading, you are the fucking drama. You're the drama, and you really need to put the drama behind and take a leap towards love, because love is coming into your life. So that was the reading. Hope this helps to resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. You guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.